Hello everyone and welcome back to Umbria. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the area of Umbertide, very close to Perugia. We are about 30 minutes drive to the city and we are about to visit together a beautiful Agriturismo, which includes the special feature of the paddock for horses. We are on a beautiful setting and I can't wait to begin the tour. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. We are on a stunning spot, immersed in nature, but at the same time very close to the main road and of easy access. In terms of location, we are about 6 kilometers to the town of Umbertide, 30 minutes to Perugia and its airport, about 1 hour to Montepulciano and 1 hour and 45 minutes to Florence with its airport. The idea behind the Agriturismo is to live immersed in nature and enjoying the company of animals and all of these lush outdoor spaces. We have in this property about 13.6 hectares of outdoor spaces, which equal to about 34 acres. Part of which is made up of beautiful olive trees producing excellent olive oil, adding up to about 2,800 trees. Then a good part is also covered by these areas for horses, and also there are parts of forests. The Agriturismo as well features a large swimming pool of 15 by 12.5 meters, surrounded by a terracotta tiling and at a good distance to the building, giving this space wide outdoor spaces and privacy, but at the same time proximity. The pool is overlooking the horse stables. One of the unique features of the property is the paddock for horses. It also includes stables on the back. They are 200 square meters, which is just over 2,000 square feet, with inside 6 stalls for horses. There also is drinkable water and electricity over there. The Agriturismo is divided into 2 buildings. The first one you see on my right is 174 square meters and is divided into 2 apartments. There is the larger unit, which is where the owners currently live, and on the second unit is destined to the staff usage. On the second building that you see right behind me, we find 542 square meters of internal space, and it is all destined to the accommodation side of the Agriturismo. So there are 5 bedrooms for guests and 4 apartments, each one of different sizes. Together with that, we also find a spacious restaurant and also very welcoming reception areas and sitting areas for the guests. Inside the larger farmhouse, we find the restaurant. This is one of the largest spaces of the buildings. In fact, it can be a restaurant for breakfast or for the different meals of the day, but it can also be used as an events room. In fact, it is equipped with bathrooms over there for guests, and on this side we find a fully equipped, spacious kitchen with professional finishes. Right behind me there is this large working fireplace that is turned into a pizza oven. We're now on the first floor. This is one of the reception spaces and this is for guests to enjoy. It has an independent access or accessible through the internal parts. There is also a piano and a working fireplace behind me. From this arch here, we pass through and access through the apartments and bedrooms. Let's see a few. Welcome inside. One of the 4 in total apartments in the accommodation side. They are all finished with a rustic finish with some exposed stone and colorful walls. They, in this case, include a nice kitchenette on this side, dining area, and a sitting space. Behind me, there is the bathroom, while on my right, the bedroom. It overlooks the green Umbria, and they are cooled by air condition and heated by radiators. In this case, we also have a wooden mezzanine level if one needs an office space or an extra bed. Together with the 4 apartments, we find 5 spacious bedrooms. They are all in this rustic style with exposed stone. We find terracotta on the floor and wooden beams on the ceiling. They are all nice and cozy. We find a fridge, there is air conditioned, and a radiator for the control of the temperature. Each bedroom has its ensuite bathroom. By the way, the property also includes some parrots and ducks, which you may hear in the background. It is a full agriturismo. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it is the right property for somebody that would like to change life and escape the busy life of a city center, either on the weekend and have a team and a staff of people that can manage the property, or to live here full-time and enjoy the nature yourself. Please feel free to get in touch in the comment section below or through our email that you will find in the description of the video. Subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!